Hello everyone, this is Amanda with Martin Yale Industries. I'm here with Samantha and today we're going to take a look at our AccuCreaser Air. This is the Count AccuCreaser Air. It provides fast, consistent quality creasing and perforating with a variety of features that make it its top of its class. Super accurate cam actuated compression creasing with rotary perf and score capabilities, including a micro perf. You can put up to 4 perfs on at a time. An automated distance recognition to support auto setups for a variety of creases and even a perfect bind setup. The AccuCreaser Air utilizes a bottom vacuum paper feed with a built-in register guide to ensure accuracy with every sheet. We are going to show you a little bit how it works and run through the machine here. This machine does the common folds, the creasing for the common folds. It is a vacuum paper feed. Max compression is 5,500 sheets per hour. Paper weight range is 60 GSM up to 350 GSM. Max sheet size 24 by 18 inches. This particular model we're looking at today is 115 volt. It is available in a 230 volt. If for some reason it needs to go out of the country, we do have the capability to make it in the 230 volt. So let me run through some of the features here real quick, and then Samantha's going to run this thing. This is the vacuum feed. See down here, that's your vacuum cylinder. Going to pull the paper through, so it works really well with glossy paper or thinner stock as well. And we've got a little registration table that just helps pull it in and keep it straight. Under our cover, you can see there's some black feed wheels under here. And this is also where your perf and score wheels will be set up. You can set up to 4 perf and score wheels across here. And they're just set up with an Allen wrench. We're going to show you a little bit of that here in just a moment. This is the catch tray, completely adjustable. This guide and then this guide down here will move. The guide on the other side over there is fixed, so that one does not move. This does have a compressor with it, a little tiny one down here, and that is what's going to run your air into your feed system. It also has a nifty little extension on the back, and that's just if you have some longer paper and you need a little bit of extra room there, and that's going to help you with that. So turn it on here. And it'll take just a moment for it to come on. Super easy setup. If I can get you out of the glare here. There we go. Really, I mean, it's like you push the buttons and it'll walk you through it. We're going to do the perfing first. So we just tell it we want to perf. We say okay. We hit run or feed and then run. Pulling them through there. Red button for stop. I know you couldn't see that very well, but it was on there. Green for go, red for stop. And you can see where our perf is here on the side. And now, just to show you how easy it is to change. We're going to empty our paper out here. Open this cover, and Samantha's going to raise our perf wheel. To disengage the perf wheel, all you have to do is raise it up. You do not have to completely move it, which is really nice. It allows for easier setup. Other way. Just do the crease. So that was disengaging the perf wheel. And now we're going to do a crease. You do have here's your crease bar. If I can pull it out. This has 2 different sides. It has a narrow side and then a deeper side. It just pulls out. You don't need any tools for that. Put it back in. And there's a button that says crease. And then you tell it what kind of paper, what kind of crease you want to do. And this is going to measure a sheet. Now the vacuum does not turn on for the measuring, so sometimes you have to help it a little bit. This is just the machine measuring the length of the paper, and that way it knows which pulse to send the crease bar down to. And then we turn it on, and it's going to pull it through there. It pauses momentarily for the cam to come up and do the crease, then it sends it out the back. And then now we have something you can't see on the camera very well, but there is a crease there. Samantha, fold it for us. Now this machine only does the creasing. We do have an inline folder, the KF200, that will butt up against the exit side of this AccuCreaser, and that will do the folding for you on the creases as well. Does anybody have any questions? You're all on mute, so if you do have a question, please unmute and ask away.
Does it come with the perf assembly?
Yes, it does come with a 9-to-1 or a 9 tooth per inch perf assembly.
Okay, perfect, thank you.
It's also made in the USA. We make this right here at our factory in Wabash, Indiana. Anything else?
Looks good.
All right, well, if you think of anything, if you need any information from us, you can always call us 800-225-5644, or you can email us at info@martinyale.com. Have a great afternoon.
Yeah, I have a question. Can I ask a question, please, about this
Yes.
machine? Yeah, I read that this model is top of the line. This is from Martin Yale. Do you have other tabletop perforator underscoring machines? Because I went through your website, I found different models, a little bit confused. So actually I'm looking for perforation scoring machine, considering, the price, I need to buy a good machine at a good price. So do you recommend any model from your portfolio?
We do have smaller machines that do creasing and perfing. We have count machines that are a little bit smaller. The iCrease Pro does creasing. We also have an Easy Creaser, which is smaller. If you're looking for something much, much smaller, then you can go down to the Martin Yale brand, which is an SP100, and it will do scoring and perfing at a much smaller capacity and smaller sheet size. I
read about the Easy Decreaser. This is a good one.
Yes.
High perforation speed. And also I found another models, it do numbering in top of the creasing and perforation. So my question, can we order the unit without the numbering unit so we can reduce the price a little bit down?
No.
Or it comes as a standard, numbering, creasing, perforation?
Yep, the AccuCreaser is going to come with a stand-up. Now, the difference between an AccuCreaser and an Easy Creaser, the Easy Creaser doesn't have the vacuum feed, it's a friction feed. But as for the machines that are perfing and numbering, they are all, yeah, they can't be, the numbering can't be taken off. Well, it can't, you can run it without the numbering, but if you're never going to use it, that would be a little bit overkill to have it.
And the Easy Creaser, it use wheel for the perforation, and
yes.
For the scoring, it use the creasing rod, right?
Yeah, the rotary perf, yes. Oh, and then a crease bar. Yeah, the Easy Creaser uses the same cam actuation that this AccuCreaser does. It has the same crease bar.
Perfect. Last question, that do you have refurbished units from this model?
No, we don't. We don't
don't
sell any refurbished models.
Oh, perfect. Thank you very much. Thanks for the demo.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.